Welcome to this tutorial on configuring Etoro markets. Etoro is a popular online trading platform that allows users to buy and sell various financial instruments, including stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. To get started, you need to understand how to configure the Etoro markets to suit your trading needs. First, log into your Etoro account and navigate to the Markets section. Here, you will see a list of available markets, including stocks, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. You can browse through the list or use the search function to find a specific market. To configure a market, click on the market you are interested in and you will be taken to the market page. On this page, you will see a chart displaying the market's price history, as well as various technical indicators and tools. You can customize the chart by selecting the time frame, adding indicators, and changing the chart type. Next, you need to set your trading parameters. This includes setting your leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels. Leverage allows you to trade with more money than you have in your account, while stop loss and take profit levels help you manage your risk and lock in profits. To set your trading parameters, click on the Trade button and select the amount you want to trade. You can then set your leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels. It is essential to set these parameters carefully, as they can significantly impact your trading results. Another important aspect of configuring Etoro markets is understanding the different order types. Etoro offers various order types, including market orders, limit orders, and stop orders. A market order is executed immediately at the current market price, while a limit order is executed when the market reaches a specific price. A stop order is executed when the market reaches a specific price, and it is used to limit losses or lock in profits. To place an order, click on the Trade button and select the order type. You can then set the order parameters, including the amount, leverage, stop loss, and take profit levels. It is crucial to understand the different order types and use them correctly to achieve your trading goals. Finally, it is essential to stay up to date with market news and analysis to make informed trading decisions. Etoro provides various tools and resources, including market news, analysis, and webinars, to help you stay informed. You can also use the Etoro community to connect with other traders and learn from their experiences. In conclusion, configuring Etoro markets requires a thorough understanding of the platform and its features. By following these steps and using the various tools and resources available, you can configure the Etoro markets to suit your trading needs and achieve your financial goals. Remember to always use risk management techniques and stay informed to make the most of your trading experience.